Hi all, this is Miss Lynn, and I wanted to make a video about how to make a copy from for a Google document. So, what we'll do is we'll start in Google Classroom. You come to Google Classroom and you find your block. Once you find your block, go to the classwork page, and let's say that I was absent yesterday, Monday the 15th, and I need to do this assignment. So I would hit View Material. I would go for the Spanish or the English version, whichever one I need. Open up the document, and rather than leave suggestions on this document, go ahead and hit File, Make a Copy. And what this will do is this will make a copy of the document that you can edit. And so when the name comes up, go ahead and put your last name and your first name in front of the title so we know it's yours. Hit Make a Copy. And then just once it pops up, you'll be able to edit that document and complete the practice. Once you're done, go to the Share, hit Copy Link. Link is copied. Then go to your email and email me the link. Emailing it to me is going to be so much quicker and much more efficient, and I most likely won't lose it that way. So make sure that you make a copy and then email me the copy once you have completed it. I hope you all are well. See you in class.